Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Civil Engineering. My name is Fazil Sabir. Today we are starting another lecture of Autodesk Civil 3D. So today our topic is create bands for superimposed profile. Last time we create this type of profile. So in this lecture we create its band. So we create the band for NGL and NGL left side, NGL right side, TGL and station. So in this lecture we'll create new bands. Last time we already have band, we just give color. But in this lecture we create new bands for PGL, NGL, left side, right side and station. This is very important and you can also say the base lecture of creating new bands. Because without band you cannot show any detail of a profile. Because profile and its bands this is the design of any road. All type of data is mentioned in bands. So it is very important to know about how can we make bands, because this type of band is some requirement of clients or consultant. Okay, so we must be able to know how can we make this type of bands for different projects. So I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. So let's start. So you can see our computer screen. So in this lecture we discuss how can we make a band like this type of, you can see here PGL, NGL right side, left side and station. Okay, so first of all we need to go on profile window and see here. So first of all we delete this old band. Okay, so right click here, right click, profile view property. After that delete this one, click from here delete. Okay, apply. You can see here we delete all this one. So first of all we need to create new one, but before this one we must set these lines. You can see here all these lines. This line is right side 12.5, this line is center line, this line is left side. Okay, so first of all we need to give name. So for that mo enter. So you can see here, so I just want to change its name from here. Click here and see here I just want to give right side NGL, right side 12.5. okay, M. After that I select this one, the same, I click here, this one will be NGL left side 12.5 M. okay, see this one M. okay, and this one will be center line. So further we select here center line. So this one NGL here center dot L. okay, center line. So now we just go on creating new bands. For that profile view property, you can see here cut band. okay, so here we need to create new one. So for that we click here and create new. okay, so our first band will be about station. So for that we just write here station capital word station. okay, after the copy this one, after that bands, and we select here compose label. We are making new bands. For that compose label we click here name, we paste here this one station. After the right we select here middle center. okay, after that content we select here and paste this one station. After that format we need to select the station like a white color, bold and here center. okay, see this one. okay, so text height must be 5.5 because we are creating this side. okay, here you can select middle center, see this one, this is looking better. Now select here white. okay, you see this one, this is okay, apply. After okay, so now we select this one display. okay, so here we need to have some extra lights here. So for that, band border, okay, this must be white, same like station, and this one band title box must be white. After that, this one also must be white. Okay, so here we need to close some extra things. See this one, we don't know, we don't need this one. Okay, this one no need, minor no need, station major we need here. Okay, after that, station location no need here. After that, minor tick no need, major tick okay, and this one we need. Okay, white color apply. Now we need to go band display and see here, we just select here 3 okay. After that, display label. After that, you can see here station and profile. Okay, first we need to delete this one, delete from here. Okay, after station value, click here and paste this station. After that, select here station again, select here station value. Okay, and precision must be 1. Okay, simple, no need extra after point. Okay, so here select bold white, from here white. Okay, center. Okay, okay, see this one, here we are creating now, and here 3.5 is enough. Bold must be middle center, bend middle. Okay, and here you can also select this one. Okay, white, apply, then okay. After apply, okay. After that, add this one ngl, we select this one on center line ngl. Okay, no problem. Okay, and gap must be 0, so for that our band or 2 gap is enough. After you can select here ngl, this side must be pgl. Okay, profile 1 ngl. Okay, apply, then okay. So you can see here our first band is ready, so we don't need this first and last one. So for that, we select here again profile view property. Okay, so select this one, and last label no need, and this one no need. Okay, so you can see here 0 to 500. Okay, so now we just create its copy. Okay, because we have one band with full setting, so for that we just need copy. So see this one station, so we select here station, this one station, and make its copy, like copy current selection. After that, we create its other like band like ngl. Okay, copy this one ngl center line. Okay, you can also write here center line, center dot l, c dot l. After that, copy this one band detail and compose label. Same method we need to paste this one here. After that, middle. Okay, we just need to change here, select here, and after that bold, ngl must be red, center line, and this must be center. Okay, after that you can also select here downside. Okay, center line, you can see here. If you select this one, or if you select like that, okay, no problem. Okay, now this side you can see here, this all label is okay, middle, center. Okay, here also select red color. Now this side is ready. Now we will go to the other side. So for that, display, and first of all change its color red, because all band related to ngl must be red as its text size. Okay, after apply, after that band details, you can see here. Now we'll select here same ngl center line. After that, select here, select this one, and here we select profile elevation 1. Okay, profile elevation 1 with the 3-digit precision, add this one. Okay, after that can also select here red color, bold, center, okay, bold this one, okay, okay. After that color, okay, text 3.5, and here must be red color, you can see here, apply, then okay, apply, then okay, add from here, and here center line, okay, you can see here, and its gap must be 2 mm. After that select this one here, PGL, apply, and you can see here all these our band is ready, center line. So now we create bands for NGL, or first of all PGL, okay. So you need to select here NGL and make its copy like same NGL center line. Now we select here NGL right side RS 12.5 m, okay, 5 m must be small. After copy this one from here and bands detail, compose label, and select here same this one, paste here in the middle center, okay. Content you can see here, paste this one here. After that select this one and enter, you can see our value. So this color must be, this is right side, so for that we select green color, because our line this one is green, okay, so green color, okay. After that you can see here this must be green, so next, okay, okay, detail, display must be here also green according to its text. So see here all color will be green, so apply this one, and here bands you can see here, this one paste here, and this must be, select this one, profile 1, okay, profile 1 is correct, okay, but we just need to change its color here, green color, bold, okay, okay. After that here also change its color green, okay, apply, then okay, apply, then okay, add this one. Now this is right side, so for select right side, okay, and change here gap 2, this also no needful, select here, okay, okay, NGL, and this must be PGL, okay, this line must be PGL, this line must be NGL, okay, so apply. So you can see here our 3 band is ready. So now 2 bands remaining, like NGL left side, after that PGL, okay. So right click here, right click, again go and take copy of NGL, this one, like NGL right side 12.5, NGL right side 12.5, see this one, and take copy of this one, copy current selection information and paste here, and right click here left, I'll enter. After take copy of this one, now we'll create bands for NGL left side, okay, select this one, this is left side, okay, middle center, okay. After that paste here, and this must be downside left, okay. Now we select here yellow color, okay, yellow or magenta, this is magenta color, okay, because it's the left side 12.5 is magenta, okay. So for that, okay, so you can see here we also select here magenta color, okay, apply, then okay, display magenta, okay, here also need magenta. I want to make all text and its detail with one color, so that we can easily check lines with text. Okay, compose label, and we also need to select here 12.5 left side, and also need here select this one. It's also same. Okay, profile one, because this is ngl in format, and we need to change here magenta, bold. Okay, okay, and after that also select here magenta. Okay, apply, then okay, apply. Okay, add this one, ngl left side. Okay, see this one, and here select 2. After that last label and end label. Okay, you can see here our last label is ready. Now we just pgl is remaining, so for that we just click here again on this one and take copy of this one, and now we'll create pgl. So write here p.g.l. okay, pgl. So take copy of this one, bands, compose label, and here select pgl, paste, center. Okay, content must be paste here, and we need to give its color blue. Okay, blue, center. Okay, okay, you can see here. After that we also need to give color here blue, and then apply, then okay. So we just need to change its color. Blue, apply. Okay, after display, you can see here we change color from here of its border. Okay, after that this one. Okay, apply. After that bands detail, compose label. So now we'll create, change its line, pgl. Okay, now content, select this one and change from here profile 2, because all ngl must be in profile 1 and pgl must be in profile 2. So we select 3 digit here. After that add this one, so and also change its color blue and bold. Okay, okay, we also need to change its color here, so you can see. Apply, then okay, apply, then okay, add this one from here on pgl. Okay, okay, and you can see here first and last date we don't need this one, and 2 gap 2 mm is enough. You can also see here, and here we also need to select pgl. I also need to select pgl, profile 2 pgl, profile 1 ngl. Okay, apply, then okay. So you can see here our all data is ready. 5 band for superimposed profile. So this line right side, this line left side, and this one center line. This is pgl and this is station. So first of all we need to take down station. After that ngl center left side, ngl left side, right side, and ngl right side, and pgl also need to down. Okay, so select this one, right click, profile view property. After that station must be downside. Okay, downside. Okay, now center ngl must be down, left side ngl upside, and this one downside. So this looking in sequence. Okay, in pgl. Okay, so you can also check from here, ngl left side here must be left side profile 1, center line. Okay, right side pgl ngl. Okay, after that apply, then okay. So you can see our all band is ready for superimposed profile. So if you want to select some other thing setting, like you can see here there is extra space, so for that you need to close this one. So select here and right click, profile view property, and see here elevation and station. Okay, station, automatic 0 to 479. And we select here, and we need to select here 485. Okay, 485, and here need to select 410, 410 here. Okay, apply, then okay. And we also need to give distance 2020. So for that, edit profile view, and graph must be 20 here, and title annotation, okay, everything is okay. Here we need to give 20, and also here 20. Okay, after apply, then okay. So you can see our all label is looking better. So if you want to decrease size from here, scale, you can also see this one. So you can see our all band is ready. This is the base band. So this is the first lecture of creating band, because in next lecture we create all bands. So first of all we create 5 band only. So in next lecture we will create bands for NGL, PGL, station, after that cut and fill, after the horizontal curve, vertical curve, then last super elevation. So our next lecture will be on full bands. So for that, this lecture is very best for practice, because it's a base lecture. So we must do practice this one, so that our lecture will be easy for you. Okay, so this is the final view of our drawings. If you want to change its scale from here, edit profile, you can also change here graph 10. We can see our profile is working like that. Okay, so you can also set his all vertical curves in best way. From here you can also see this one, and we also need to select this one. If you want to remove any curve, so you can have the option that you just need to select this one here and go in properties, and you can also delete from here. Okay, PVA point, and you can also delete this one, extra anything. Okay, so I hope this lecture will help you in starting. So you can also see practice. So this is our final view of bands. I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. If you have any question related to this topic, so please comment me in comments box, and shall try my best to give you some suitable answer. If you are new, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.